Databroker DAO, Data ICO, Internet of Things Sensor Data Marketplace Tokens. Databroker DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization that aims to monetize Internet of Things sensor data. Find out how the platform works today in our review. What is Databroker DAO? Databroker DAO, found online at databrokerdao.com, is a blockchain-based platform that wants to enable the monetization of Internet of Things sensor data, turning sunk costs into perpetual revenue streams. Basically, we're surrounded by smart objects in our daily life. Those smart objects, like smartphones and fitness trackers, collect information through sensors. A lot of that information is wasted or ignored. It's used for a singular purpose in a silo and cannot be used for any other task. Databroker DAO wants to monetize that sensor data with an open marketplace. The Databroker DAO beta is available online today. How does Databroker DAO work? The main goal of Databroker DAO is to provide a distributed marketplace for Internet of Things sensor data. The company aims to create the first blockchain-based marketplace for sensor data, bringing together all different participants into one place, including sensor owners, data processors, and network owners. Here's how the company explains in their white paper. Today, companies make use of sensor data to optimize and monitor their operations. The result is a single-purpose data landscape. What if we could make this data easily accessible to cities, organizations, and entrepreneurs at an affordable price? Databroker drives the evolution towards truly smart living. Databroker DAO doesn't just want to openly share user data with the world. The company wants to create a marketplace where anyone can buy or sell that data. If you want to sell data from your fitness trackers to an investing company, for example, then you are free to do that. If you want to buy smart device data from all customers in one specific region, then you can do that too. Or, in a more unique use case, farmers can purchase sensor data from Databroker DAO to get a live look at weather in a particular region. They can use this information to create the efficiency of their farming operations. Ultimately, the Databroker DAO website explains that there are 9 billion of Internet of Things sensors worldwide. Most of those sensors are underutilized. Together, these sensors are worth over 600 billion per year. However, this value cannot be unlocked because the sensors are locked behind data silos and walled gardens. Use case for Databroker DAO. One of the best ways to understand the value of Databroker DAO is to look at use case. Here are some of the use cases of Databroker Marketplace. Agriculture. Farmers can get reliable weather data in real time from sensors placed across the country, increasing farming effectiveness and efficiency. Academia. Universities and colleges can access data from millions of sensors at low cost, increasing the potential of research projects and opening up a wider world of data. Environmental studies. Environmental agencies can gather data from millions of sensors to understand environmental change and where to act. Instead of relying on centralized weather stations, they can get instant looks at sensors in specific locations, from the tops of the mountains to the middle of cities. Smart cities. Databroker DAO envisions a future where smart cities initiatives can limit upfront costs of population stunts with sensors and turn expenses into investments. In other words, cities that install Internet of Things devices with sensors can recoup some of the cost by selling Internet of Things sensors data, like by selling it to environmental agencies or farmers. The Databroker DAO token sale. The Databroker DAO token sale is scheduled for September 18 to October 16. 60% of the total supply of tokens is being sold during the sale, with an additional 5% sold during the early token sale. 20% of tokens are reserved from the platform, while 10% is reserved for the team and 5% is reserved for referrals. One ETH will buy you 1,200 data tokens. The company's goal is to realize 9,375 ETH. Who's behind Databroker DAO? Databroker DAO is led by Matthew Van Niekerk, CEO and co-founder, and Roderick van der Beer, CTO and co-founder. Van Niekerk has previously founded and existed two companies in Japan. Van der Beer, meanwhile, built one of the largest e-commerce computer store websites in Belgium in 1999, then worked in IT. He co-founded Settlement, a blockchain technology company, in 2016. Benefits of Databroker DAO. Databroker DAO aims to benefit three specific parties. Here's how each of the three parties in the Databroker DAO ecosystem will benefit. Sensors owners. Sensor owners can monetize their data and turn absorb costs in a potential money market. This gives sensor owners the opportunity to recoup some of their investments into Internet of Things sensors. Network operators gain scale and speed in the adoption of their network as a connected telecommunication companies can present a win block to their enterprise accounts, giving them a clear, unique selling propositions. Sensor manufacturers. Sensor manufacturers can start racing to the bottom for productions and pool resource and capital of manufacturing, then allocate those records of profile SaaS offering. Databroker DAO conclusions. Databroker DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization that aims to create a distributed marketplace for Internet of Things sensor data. Today, smart devices are all around us, and yet most of the data collected by this smart device is used for a singular purpose. Databroker DAO envisions a future where users can sell smart device data on an open marketplace. Farmers can purchase environmental data from sensors across their local area, for example, while universities can access to a network of highly priced data points worldwide. To learn more about Databroker DAO or to participate in the ICO, visit the company online at databrokerDAO.com.